Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make Flora from the Winx Club in Dress to Impress. Okay, this is for the outfit guys, and I'm going to show you how I made this one. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and combine it with this one and also this one, and then you're going to color it with this brown color, and you're going to put on this necklace and also this one. Okay, you're going to color it with this pink color and then green color. Okay, this is for the color code, and you're going to make it glitter for this necklace and put on this ribbon, make it this pink color, and you're going to make it glitter and put on this flower, make it this color for the first selection and second selection. Alright, and then the next one, I'm going to put on this corset, and I'm going to make it green for the first selection, and for the second selection, make it this pink color. Oops, sorry, this one. And then the next one, I'm going to make it green. Okay, and for the fourth selection, I'm going to make it green. And then I'm going to move to this area and put on this corset. And we're going to make it the same green color for the first selection. And for the third selection, you're going to make it this color. Oops, not this one, but this one. And for the lace, make it this color. Alright, and then we're going to make the material glitter. Okay, done guys. And I'm going to open up this box to access the items from the Valentine's update. And I'm going to put on this item. And we're going to make it this pink color. And also this one. Make it this pink color for the first selection, and the second selection, make it this pink color, and then we're going to make it glitter. Alright, and then we're going to move to the VIP room. Okay, and the next one, you're going to put on this dress and then make it glittery. And for the first selection, you're going to make it this color and then combine it with this pink color for the second selection and also the third selection. Last selection, I'm going to make it this color. Alright, and then I'm going to put on this shoes. Okay, I'm going to select, I'm going to remove the buckles and the strap. And for the color, I'm going to make it this pink color. Okay, and I'm going to combine it with this skirt. For this skirt, I'm going to make it pink. Alright, and the last one, I'm going to put on the wings. This one and also this one, and then you can make the wings glitter. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the color guys for the wings. Alright, for the wings, you're going to color it like this. You can combine the green and pink color. Alright, wait, let me show you. For this one, you're going to make it this color. Okay, like this. And for this wing, you're going to make it this color. This one. And also this one. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Flora from the Winx Club in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!